Authentic Italian lasagna. Layers of deliciousness. Subscribe and like for a taste of Italy. Buongiorno. Welcome to our channel, where we're going to indulge in the authentic flavors of Italy. Today, we're thrilled to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Italian lasagna. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Italy. To create this delightful Italian lasagna, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 12 lasagna noodles, pre-cooked. If using dried noodles, 1 pound ground beef, or a mix of beef and pork, 1/2 cup diced onion, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes 1 can, 6 ounces, tomato paste, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper. To taste. For the bechamel sauce, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3 cups whole milk, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, salt and pepper. To taste. For layering, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil leaves. For garnish. Now, let's experience the flavors of Italy. Step 1. In a large saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become translucent and fragrant. Step 2. Add the ground beef to the saucepan, breaking it apart with a spoon. Season with dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Cook until the meat is browned and cooked through. Step 3. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and water, creating a rich meat sauce. Simmer the sauce for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Step 4. In a separate saucepan, melt the unsalted butter over medium heat. Whisk in the all-purpose flour, creating a roux. Gradually add the whole milk, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Step 5. Season the bechamel sauce with ground nutmeg, salt, and pepper, infusing it with a delicate flavor. And there you have it, the preparation for our authentic Italian lasagna. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. We'll continue with the layering and baking in part 2 of this lasagna tutorial. Thank you for joining us on this Italian culinary journey. In part 2, we'll show you how to layer the lasagna and achieve that perfect, bubbling dish of Italian goodness. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, grazie and happy cooking!